In the annals of human history, a select group of individuals have ventured beyond the confines of our planet, experiencing the cosmos firsthand. They are astronauts, explorers of the final frontier. In this comprehensive script, we'll delve into the lives and accomplishments of some of the most famous astronauts to have graced the cosmos with their presence. Yuri Gagarin, the pioneer. On April 12, 1961, Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet cosmonaut, etched his name in history as the first human to travel to space. His Vostok 1 spacecraft completed a single orbit around the Earth, marking a monumental moment in space exploration. Gagarin's mission lasted a mere 108 minutes, but it laid the foundation for further space endeavors. Neil Armstrong, one small step. The United States entered the space race with fervor, and on July 20, 1969, American astronaut Neil Armstrong took a historic leap for humanity. As commander of NASA's Apollo 11 mission, he descended from the lunar module and became the first person to set foot on the moon's surface. His words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," remain etched in the collective memory of humanity. Valentina Tereshkova, breaking barriers. The Soviet Union also made history by sending Valentina Tereshkova into space on June 16, 1963, aboard Vostok 6. Tereshkova became the first woman in space, demonstrating that space exploration was not limited to men. Her mission orbited the Earth 48 times, paving the way for future generations of female astronauts. John Glenn, America's hero John Glenn, an American astronaut, became the first American to orbit the Earth on February 20, 1962, in the Friendship 7 spacecraft. His journey not only solidified the United States' presence in space, but also made him an enduring symbol of heroism and exploration. Later in life, Glenn returned to space in 1998 at the age of 77, becoming the oldest person to fly in space. Sally Ride, shattering the glass ceiling. On June 18, 1983, Sally Ride, an American physicist and astronaut, made history as the first American woman in space during the STS-7 mission on the Space Shuttle Challenger. Her journey shattered the glass ceiling for women in space exploration. Ride's contributions extended beyond her missions as she worked to inspire and educate young people about science and space. Krista McAuliffe, the teacher in space. Krista McAuliffe, an American school teacher, was selected as the first private citizen to travel in space. Tragically, the Space Shuttle Challenger disaster on January 28, 1986, claimed her life, along with the lives of 6 other crew members. Her legacy lives on through her dedication to education and the desire to make space accessible to all. Ellen Ochoa, pioneering Hispanic astronaut Ellen Ochoa, a Mexican-American engineer and astronaut, made history as the first Hispanic woman to go to space. She flew on 4 space shuttle missions and later served as the director of the Johnson Space Center, overseeing NASA's human spaceflight efforts. Chris Hadfield, the singing astronaut, Canadian astronaut Chris Hadfield, gained worldwide recognition during his tenure on the International Space Station, ISS. He was not only an exceptional astronaut, but also a musician who recorded and performed songs while in orbit. His rendition of David Bowie's Space Oddity went viral and showcased the unique blend of science and art that space exploration allows. Scott Kelly, Year in Space. In 2015, American astronaut Scott Kelly embarked on a groundbreaking mission, spending nearly a year aboard the ISS. This extended stay provided invaluable data on the effects of long-duration spaceflight on the human body, advancing our understanding of future deep space missions. Peggy Whitson, space record setter astronaut Peggy Whitson holds numerous records, including the longest cumulative time spent in space by an American. During her illustrious career, she contributed to vital research on the ISS and became an inspiration for aspiring astronauts worldwide. These astronauts represent just a fraction of the men and women who have explored space, expanding our knowledge of the universe and pushing the boundaries of human achievement. Their remarkable journeys and contributions continue to inspire generations of future astronauts, scientists, and dreamers, reminding us that the sky is not the limit. It's just the beginning of our cosmic adventure.